Amelia, and thanks for coming back for another unboxing video. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of February's teen subscription pack. And in the month of February, we celebrate Valentine's Day along with love, passions, and connections we have with other people. However, this month, our teens decided to take a little twist on that and actually celebrate self-love, which is the theme of this month's pack. As always, please follow our social media platforms above. And without further ado, we'll get started on our unboxing video. So for this month's pack, our teens chose the book Love is a Revolution by Renee Watson. And a little summary about this book is the main character, Nala Robertson, goes to an open mic for her cousin's friend's sister's birthday party. And through this open mic, she becomes very attracted to the MC, Ty Brown. And in order to impress him, she comes up with a couple of lies which she believes will make him more attracted to her. Now, unfortunately, those lies have gotten very out of hand for her, and it's very hard for her to keep up with them. So, while she attempts to maintain those lies and her relationship with Ty, she actually soon realizes that self-love is much more revolutionary and that she needs to focus on self-love a lot more before she focuses on her love with other people. And that is our book for this month, Love is a Revolution by Renee Watson. So now that we've covered the book for this pack, we'll be going more in depth with the other contents for this month's pack. So let's get to it. For this month's pack, our teens decided to hold all of our pack contents into this cute little bag with hearts on it, and I personally was just so excited to bring this bag home with me. In addition, as always, we also have our teen newsletter, and just to read out the message we have for you guys this month, it says, "Hello YDL teens, we hope you are doing well. This month we crafted our pack around self-love. Specifically, we wanted to focus on body positivity, knowing that it's a struggle that many of us battle every day. We included some personalized positive affirmations that we wrote just for you. Along with that, we have some calming DIY activities and some small goodies that can hopefully get you through those rough days. Please remember that you are awesome and that you deserve the best. So please spend the day munching on chocolate, practicing yoga to your heart's content, or reading in the candlelight. We have an awesome book included along with all the things you need for a relaxing day off. Please remember to reach out and let us know what you think of our packs. We love hearing your feedback. Cheers, the teen interns at YDL." And along with this newsletter, we have some QR codes to a self-love playlist, as well as another QR code about additional info we put when making these packs for you guys. We also have some instructions to make this DIY tissue paper mason jar, which I'll go more in depth later on in the video. And also just some background about why we chose certain items for you guys in this pack. And also a QR code to our podcast, Tag Your It, where basically our teen interns come together and talk about their own personal experiences and how they relate to the theme, and also how we're able to bring these packs to you guys every single month. Now, as said in the newsletter, we want you guys to do yoga to your heart's content, and so you guys have that resource, we've included a poster of different yoga poses you guys can do, so you have easy access to that. And we also have an I Am Enough poster for you guys to color in, and you have full autonomy about where you want to put it and how you want to design it. Maybe you want to put it up in your room or bring it to school with you. It's really up to you. And finally, with other content we have in this pack, we have a mason jar with some tissue paper inside of it with different colors, a sponge brush, as well as glue, and also a tea light candle. So you may be wondering, Amelia, what does that have to do with any of this? Well, I assure you it has a lot to do with self-love and overall just spreading positivity, creating that calm mood we want you guys to have. So this is one of our DIY activities. As I stated, it's the tissue paper mason jar. And essentially what you want to do is basically take the tissue paper and use the glue as well as your sponge brush to glue that tissue paper all around your mason jar until it essentially looks like this. And then once your glue is completely dry, you want to turn on your tea light candle and put it inside your jar and really create that light ambiance mood. And maybe you want to use it when you're reading a book or maybe when you're watching something, just really to spread that calm atmosphere for you guys. Next up, we have some yarn, some clothespins, some paper, and also self-affirmations that our teen interns wrote for you guys. So first, I'm just going to read out a couple of these affirmations that our teens wrote for you. So first, from our teen intern Daniel, he says, "A little progress each day builds up to big results." Another teen intern, Kaden, writes, "You are unique. That's what is special about you." And finally, another teen intern, Hajra, writes, "One day you will look back at this time and realize that it all turned out okay. You are awesome." And essentially what we want you guys to do with all of these items is we want to remind you guys every single day that you are amazing. So we want you to take this yarn and these clothespins and hang up these affirmations somewhere that you'll see them every single day to remind you that we love you and that you guys are awesome. And also we've included this additional paper so you guys can write your own affirmations to yourselves and really spread that positivity. Next up, we have this compact mirror so you guys can look at yourselves and really just remind yourselves about all the things you love about yourself and really emphasize all the positive things you do for yourself, even if it's little things. And we just wanted you guys to have that with you. And it's also just really cute to carry around because you can just bring this anywhere along with you. Next up, we have a rose quartz, and essentially the idea with the rose quartz is to spread joy and contentness, and it also just heals yourself spiritually, mentally, and physically. So that's why we've chosen a rose quartz for this pack. And finally, the food aspect for this pack is chocolates. So we have Snickers and Three Musketeers. And also your classic tiny conversation hearts candy. So I've already opened this and I just love these, and these are only things you can eat in February because that's basically the only time that makes sense to eat these. So we've included that in your pack. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of February's self-love pack. As always, please follow our social media and please like this video, and I'll see you guys next time at our next unboxing video. Bye!